Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare magnesium versus ferro rod. Start by gathering a ferro rod, striker, and a small pile of magnesium shavings or tinder. Practice controlled strikes onto a dry tinder bundle away from flammable material. Learn to make a small bird's nest of shavings and to angle sparks into the center for fastest ignition. I will explain technique, pros, cons, and safety tips for both. Magnesium excels when you need an intense, fast-burning ignition source for kindling or damp tinder. Collect fine shavings into a nest shape and keep them separate from larger fuel until ignition. Strike the ferro rod or spark source so it lands directly on the magnesium shavings to create a sustained ember. Practice makes timing easier, and always keep a pinch of shavings reserved for emergencies in a waterproof container. A ferro rod is the go-to for reliable spark production in diverse conditions, including wet weather. Hold the rod steady and shave toward the tinder with a firm, controlled motion using a striker or the spine of a knife. Aim sparks into a prepared tinder nest and build the flame gradually by adding small twigs. Keep practicing different angles and pressures so you can produce embers quickly under stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.